Hi, I'm Becky Nunn with Nunn Design, owner and creator of the Patera jewelry line. Patera is Latin for ornamental amulet and is cast in the United States. Designer Lynn Maloney will be showing us in this segment a simple technique using rubber stamps.
Hi, I'd like to show you a couple of fun things you can do with our rubber stamps on the Patera flat tags to make some cute, easy, and fun jewelry. For this project, I'm using the Mini Chickadee and the Mini Branch rubber stamps, black StazOn ink, the small circle flat tag, and the small square flat tag. First, I'll stamp the Mini Chickadee on the circle flat tag. And I just open up the StazOn ink, tap it on there a few times, bring it over the tag, press straight down, don't rock it, and just pull straight up. I'll do the same thing then with the Mini Branch. Tap it on the ink pad, straight down on the tag, and pull up. Now if you get an image that you don't really like, you have some time to wipe it off. You can use a paper towel, or better yet, the StazOn cleaner. And you can just rub it on the tag and wipe it away. And you're ready to start again. The StazOn ink is formulated for metal, so it works great on the Patera pieces. It's a solvent-based ink, which means it can dry out. So if you're getting an image that isn't quite as dark and crisp as you'd like, that just means it's time to re-ink your pad. And it's real easy. You just open up the bottle of re-inker, open up your pad, and gently squeeze the ink over the surface of the pad and let it soak in. Cover up your pad, and then a good tip is to store your pad upside down so the ink is always on the surface of the ink pad, which is where you want it. For this project, I'm using the Grande Rectangle flat tag, a couple other colors of the StazOn ink, the black StazOn, and our large berries rubber stamp. And I'm going to start by showing you a really cool trick for creating a little handle to use when you work with the tags and ink pads. And I'm just using masking tape, rolling it up, and then sticking it onto the back of my tag, pinching it, and creating a little handle that I can just grip as I work with the inks. I'll start with this orange StazOn, and I pick up the pad and just go directly from the pad onto the tag. Just very random and loose. I'll set that down and let it dry. Here's one that's already dry, and I've got a handle on it. And I'm going to go in with the blue ink right on top of the orange. Again, just very randomly, right from the stamp pad, hitting the edges, just like that. And you just let that dry. I have one here that's already dry. And now I'm going to overstamp, and I'm going to use the berry image and the black StazOn. Just ink up the stamp really well and press down. As you can see, only half of the stamp is going to go onto the tag, but that's fine. Press down, nice and firm, don't rock it, and just pull straight up. Now just let your stamped pieces dry and then put them all together with the Patera chains and finishing touches of your choice.